Now coming to the analysis of Dream on Monkey Mountain, at the very onset we need to understand the structure of this particular play. Now this play is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Now each of these parts consist of 3 scenes. Part 1 will be having 3 scenes and part 2 will be having 3 scenes. And besides part 1 and part 2 and 6 scenes, this play has also got an epilogue and a prologue. And another important aspect of this play is that it's a kind of a dream sequence. Most of the action is a dream of Macaque, the central figure of this play. But before we dwell into the narrative of this play or understand the storyline of this play, it is important to know the characters with which we would be dealing in this play. So the characters are, we have Macaque or monkey. He is described as a charcoal burner and he is poor and ugly and a man of 60 years age. We have Corporal Lestrade. Corporal Lestrade would be a policeman or a man of law or a jailer. We can call him with any name. We have Tiger. He is a prisoner. We have Saurus. He is also a prisoner, and both these characters have been imprisoned for theft. We have Mostique. Mostique is the friend of Macaque. We have Basil. Basil is described as coffin maker. He symbolizes death. Now these were the characters around which the story Dream on a Monkey Mountain would surround.